Hello, I am Nathan from CBI Berkeley's Shabbat youth groups. I'm going to sing a song called There's a Dinosaur. There's a dinosaur knocking at my door, knocking 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there's a dinosaur knocking at my door, and he wants to spend Shabbat with me. And now you can ask the kids what things the dinosaur might be doing on Shabbat, and you can act them out. He lights the candles, says Kiddush, drinks grape juice, eats the challah, has some chicken soup, goes to shul and davens, kisses the Torah. What else? Other things. And then you sing the chorus again. There's a dinosaur knocking at my door, knocking 1, 2, 3. There's a dinosaur knocking at my door, and he wants to spend Shabbat with me.